Stage presence isn't magic. It's something you can practice. It's something you can get better at. And almost like a muscle, the more you use it, the better it will be. So rehearse, practice. Any presentation you put in front of an audience should have been rehearsed out loud at least a couple of times. My mantra is always rehearse, critique, hone, repeat. i.e. rehearse it out loud. Set up your camera, film yourself doing it, and probably hate it. None of us like watching ourselves on video, but it's a great way to see how you come across to an audience. So rehearse, critique, watch it back. Bear in mind that you will be your own harshest critic, but look out for the vocal fumbles. Look out for the fidgeting, for the movement that maybe shouldn't be there. Look out for where you could pause rather than going to an or an So critique, then hone, rewrite, practice again, and then repeat. Rehearse, critique, hone, repeat. And the more you do it, the easier it gets. Seek feedback from other people on how your stage presence was. How did you come across? What could you change? But bear in mind that a lot of people just say, you were great, really loved it. And that feedback is just as important as anything critical or constructive that you can maybe act on. Hear the good stuff too. So stage presence is something that will come with practice. Go back and watch these videos again. There's been a whole series now on stage presence. Prior to that, there were videos on charisma and gravitas. When you need a boost, if you're not sure whether you are bringing stage presence, come back, watch these videos again, try it again, and seek out a community. If you want feedback, drop me a message, drop me a DM, and I'll see if I can get in touch and we will actually review some of your speaking to see whether you are bringing stage presence and what you can do to help. And of course, you might want to look for a speaking coach, like someone like me, who can help you to really develop this professionally. So, bring that stage presence. You owe it to yourself and you owe it to your audience. Like and subscribe for more public speaking tips and tricks.